In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Calendar public. To get started, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns the calendar you want to share. This process works best on a computer because you'll see all the options clearly in the side panel. Once the calendar page loads, look to the left side of the screen for the section labeled My Calendars. This is where all calendars tied to your account live, such as your primary calendar and any others you've created. If you don't see the list, hover over the left edge or click the small arrow to expand it. Find the specific calendar you want to make public. Hover your mouse over its name and a set of icons will appear. Click the three vertical dots, which open the options menu for that calendar. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This takes you to a detailed settings page just for that calendar. Scroll down the settings page until you reach the section called Access Permissions for Events. Here is where you control who can see this calendar on the web. To make the calendar visible to anyone, check the box that says Make Available to Public. A warning will appear reminding you that all event information on this calendar could become visible to anyone on the internet. Read it carefully, and if you're comfortable, click OK or Confirm to proceed. If you only want to show availability without revealing event names or descriptions, you can adjust the visibility option in the same section to show only free or busy times. That way, people can see when you're available without the details. Either way, your change saves automatically. A quick tip: this setting applies only to the calendar you selected, not to every calendar in your account. If you manage multiple calendars, repeat the same steps for each one you want to make public. And if you ever change your mind, you can come back to this exact section and uncheck Make Available to Public at any time. That's all it takes. You opened Google Calendar, located My Calendars, used the three-dot menu to get to Settings and Sharing, scrolled to Access Permissions for Events, turned on Make Available to Public, and confirmed the change. Take a moment to review the events on that calendar to make sure you're comfortable with what's being shared. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you share your schedule with confidence.